Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We are changing up our channel a little bit. Instead of being a gaming and toy reviewing channel, we are now going to start doing like origami and like little crafts that you can make at home.
Popsicle sticks.
Yeah, like this is one of them. And yeah, it's an exploding dart. So yeah, it'll explode.
Here.
And also sometimes it makes a diamond.
We'll show you an example.
Yeah.
So, here's what happens when you throw it against the couch. Oh, sometimes
I said, here's what happens when you throw it against the couch.
they explode.
And they explode. So these are
And
the pieces.
So this is the boomerang.
Yeah. It's the easiest one. It's the easiest one to craft.
It only takes 4 popsicle sticks. And we're going to show you how to make it.
Yeah. And by the way, make sure you like and subscribe.
So, you're going to need...
Why do you have the door closed?
It's quieter because from the TV. Okay.
Okay.
What are you doing?
YouTube video.
So
Okay. So we're gonna need 4 popsicle sticks.
Yeah.
So you
Wait, we're just gonna get my ankle and is that good? Yes. Yeah.
So we're gonna have one right here.
Yeah.
Here, I can't really see.
Ignore technical difficulties. We'll do it.
Do you have a mirror in here?
So this is how you make it. My friend Jacob will show you how to.
So you get one right here. You put another one on top like that. So you get an A or a V where it looks like on yours. Then you put one on top of there, right there. Then
So it should look like basically a sideways 4.
yeah. Then you pinch these two, the 2 corners right here, the 2 corners of the 4.
Yeah, you push them down and then
Hold it. And then you're gonna slide another one under it. And then you push this down, pull this one up, and then twist it, and then put that one on top. Then you have your ninja star. And just a helpful tip, it's a lot easier to do it on carpet because you can slide on carpet and you can't do it on a counter or like wood.
yeah, because it's way too slippery.
So now time for the square. Now this one gives you a more satisfying thing, and a lot of times when you hit it, it makes a diamond, and when it like breaks, it sounds like this. It sounds really satisfying. So for this one, you're going to need 6. You're going to need 6 sticks.
And if I were to say these type of popsicle sticks will work these type of popsicle sticks will work the best. But you can use any except for like really thick ones.
Yeah. Okay. So then you lay 2 popsicle sticks right here. Then you put another one on top. You take a 4th stick.
To do this one.
You put it down. And you take this one and you put it vertical. And then you get one more stick. And then you slide it under this. And then see how it like holds everything together? And then you're going to take out this right here. And then you're going to put it over it. And then this one right here, you're going to want to pull over. A lot of the times it gets stuck. So you have to redo it. So on that one, I messed up. So I'm going to do it again.
And yes, this is the harder one.
So there's an easy one, medium one, and hard one.
And also an impossible one.
But we don't know how to do that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's
so
a
slide it under. Pull this up. And then slide that one on top. Then you got your square. And there's also another version of this one. It's called the flying fish. And you can slide these 2. You can slide these closer together. And then do it again right here. And then, I messed up on that one. But you'll just want to push the 2 corners together. And then you get the flying fish. moving on to the butterfly. This one is so difficult that I can barely do it. And I've been doing these for years. Okay. So, you want to make an X with 2. And then you're going to take one on top. And then you're going to want to slide this under this one. And then this one. Okay, I can't do it. So I can do it. It's just I need an easier angle, so. I've only done this like 3 times ever. So,
Okay.
got this right here. Slide that in between those. Wedge it. This one's so hard. Okay, so once you got one side, you're going to want to do the other side with the same exact thing. So it's a lot easier when I have this under my foot, but you guys won't be able to see it. So if you know what to do, if you don't know what to do, then just rewatch the video over.
You can also throw these at people because they don't really hurt. Look.
Yeah, they actually kind of feel good. Okay.
And the butterfly is really hard to make.
So we're just gonna fast forward. Okay, so I got it. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's a little wonky, but this is roughly what it's supposed to look like. And this one, it's stronger. So when you throw it,
yeah, that one's a little more painfuler sometimes.
Because it has sharper edges.
Yeah, so don't throw that one at your friend. If you want to throw one at your friend, I recommend the boomerang. Which is the one that we showed at the start. And they're really good for doing this.
For the end, one more bonus. It's called the star. So it's a different addition to the boomerang. So you're just gonna build a boomerang. Second. Once you have it built, then you're gonna want to push the edges in. So the things sticking out on the left and right are longer. Then you're going to want to wedge a stick in between those. Just a second. Okay. Attempt 2. So you're going to keep pushing those edges.
And I cannot do this.
Those edge pieces in until it looks kind of like a star, but you're missing that part right there.
I'm going to just ignore the short clip. Why did that one not break? Hold up. Oh, there we go. And sometimes like the first time you hit somebody with it, it won't really break. But if you throw it hard enough, it will break. But sometimes it won't break. But if it does that, you just keep having to throw it.
Okay, attempt 3.
It's just because of how that it went. And what did I do?
Okay.
Oh, that's what I did.
If you saw it there for a second, you know what the star looked like.
Or you could slow down the video and see the star.
So.
And hopefully, but actually here, I'm just going to show it.
Okay, there you have this. You're going to want to push those in without breaking it. Okay, just go slow down the video and look at what the star looked like there for a second. The star actually hurts, so I would not recommend throwing it at people. You can just throw it at your wall or your couch.
Yeah.
So, that will be the end for our video. Thanks for listening. Like and subscribe.
Bye.